You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this company name and software name belonging to Linux. And yes, I believe that's how you say it. Stay tuned if you want to learn more about that. Now, it's German originally, which is why the Germans pronounce it as SUSE. Essentially, the U is pronounced like a double O, and the E is pronounced like a schwa, an sound. SUSE. SUSE, that's the German pronunciation, and therefore in English similarly it's pronounced as SUSE. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.